What is up, you guys? In this video I want to talk about exactly how I ended up losing $20,000 on Amazon when I was first starting up. When I was first starting my Amazon business, at the first year I was doing amazing. I was actually making a lot of sales and doing really well. I was averaging on my first product around $300 profit, and I was just scaling my business from there. So when I started off my Amazon business, I actually had prior experience because I was selling on eBay before Amazon blew up, and I've been selling on Amazon for about 5 years now. And one of the things that I did that was a huge mistake that I kind of regret, and I don't want you to make the same mistake if you're new to selling on Amazon or even if you're experienced with selling on Amazon, is you don't want to compete with Amazon. What do I mean by this? So in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean step by step, but this is what cost me a huge loss in my business. I actually had to recover from this, especially that I think this was on my second year of selling on Amazon that this happened to me. So it was really a big hit in my business because I didn't have that much cash flow coming in. It wasn't such a big business. And of course, like with the Amazon FBA business, if you're considering doing it or if you're new to this whole business, it's an amazing business model if you do it correctly. You need to sell something that's not competitive. You want to get your feet in the door. You don't want to do something that's huge. What you want to average is around $250 profit to $350 profit per day off a little small item and grow your business from there. So I'm going to show you guys on my screen right here. This is Amazon's just platform, right? And let's say, for example, that you want to sell a leather cleaner for a couch or something like that, right? This is the huge mistake that I did that I really regret doing. So you can see here, this one is $7.97. You can see for the let's say this is us, right? Let's say this is our brand. We have a leather cleaner. I personally would not recommend selling this because the prices for this market is below $15. So you always want to sell a product that's over 15 bucks because you're going to get a lot of higher profit margin just because Amazon fees and shipping fees. So this falls under all the categories for a failing product, in my opinion. So let's say we wanted, for example, sell this, right? And this was our company, right? Already we're in a disadvantage because we're selling it so low. But then Amazon starts selling a similar product like this, Armor All. You click here, and if you go down here, you can see it's shipped from Amazon and sold by Amazon. So if you're competing directly with Amazon, Amazon favors their products on their platform more than private sellers. So this automatically gets bumped up to the top. And what's crazy about this is that Amazon doesn't care about price cutting their products. They more care about giving the customer a happy experience with shopping on Amazon, giving them the best price point. And they make most of their money on the Amazon platform from sellers like you and me. Like private label sellers are what they make most of their money from, and advertising. So they don't really make as much money on these products. It's more of giving the consumer what they want and at a good price point. But if you compete directly with these type of products, you're setting yourself up for complete failure. It's really hard to compete with products like this because they could price cut it to even $5 the next day. It's happened to me with my business for the product that I was selling. I actually scaled and did 4 variations of the product, shipped it from China to Amazon's warehouse. Right when I had it at Amazon's warehouse, Amazon came out with a product similar to my product, and they price cut it so bad, like it was around that $8 mark, $7 mark, and that's how much I pay in actual fees with Amazon. So I can't sell a product for around like 18 bucks or anything like that. So competing directly with Amazon is something you don't want to do. It's going to ruin your business. I ended up losing $20,000 doing this. I liquidated all my products, started from scratch. It was like my worst product launch with my whole company. But you know what? I bit the bullet. I kept growing it. And now as of today, I make over $2,000 profit per day selling on Amazon. The first year I was averaging around 300, second year 600, next year 1,000, bumped it up all the way to 2,000 now. And hopefully this year I could even bump it up to maybe 2,500 or hopefully $3,000, which would be absolutely insane. And this is net profit that I'm talking about. And just to show you the proof, I have here Helium 10, and Helium 10 is a platform that I use for all my Amazon sales and all the things I use to create my Amazon business and grow it long term. If you're serious about selling on Amazon and want the best tool to grow an Amazon business, or even find the right products to start selling on Amazon, I personally use Tools Black Box, and this tool is what allows me to find products to start selling on Amazon. And this has allowed me to grow my business to these exact numbers. Last year I hit over $1 million in sales and $420,000 in profit, and hopefully this year it's even bigger. It's crazy the amount of potential you have with selling on Amazon. So if you want Helium 10, I'm gonna have a discount code in the link down below. It's gonna be in the pinned comments as well as in the description. And I also have a free course that I teach people exactly what to do and how to sell on Amazon if you're ever interested. It's an absolute free course. Nothing is needed, no credit card. You can literally sign up, start learning in like 2 minutes from now. There's nothing needed, and it's a bunch of free content for you. Over, I believe, 30 videos just to get started and get going with Amazon. And if you want to take it serious and get more advanced down the line, I also have a more advanced course. This is the monthly fee, and it's not as expensive as other courses out there, which are charging crazy amount, like $1,000. I believe that's crazy. It's a monthly fee, and it's good because you can finish the course in a month or two and be done with it. So I personally think check out that free course. Helium 10 is what I use to grow my business. And if you have any questions regarding this video, leave a comment down below and subscribe. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. Peace.